Good morning, this is Em. I this morning went and picked some red clover. We love to use red clover in teas or salad dressings or even our salads. And the Japanese beetles like them too, which I found interesting. I haven't seen them on them before. Red clover is a legume. It is also a nitrogen fixer, so it's fantastic for your garden. So one thing you need to consider is it is potential to get your menstrual flow going, so you want to be careful in pregnancy or nursing to not have much or any. You might want to look into that some. There's just not a lot of research on it, so that's why they say that. In the same vein, if you know that you're not expecting, it can also help get your cycle going like it should. It is also said to be good for hot flashes, and it is a powerful blood cleanser, but yet gentle. It can be helpful for your blood pressure in lowering it or just balancing it, keeping it more steady. It said that it's good for asthma, whooping cough, and arthritis. It's in a bunch of cancer tea blends because of the blood purifying, I believe. You can make salves out of it for skin issues, dermatitis, eczema, things of that nature. It's cleansing, so that is a very good thing, something you would really want. It can be similar to estrogen in your body. The effects of that are very light if they show up or cause any issues. It is not strong enough to the point of hormone replacement or anything of that nature. It's very light in what it can do and does in that direction. But it is a great herb to look into, very easy to spot and easy for children to identify and pick. And I love when my children know about as many plants as absolutely possible. This is a very easy one that they will see just about anywhere. So cute. Ooh, just got zapped. Wet plants, you know. Oops. So for clover, most people probably really easily recognize it, but in case you haven't, there are several kinds. White was the most common in our yards when I was a child, but we also have a tiny bit of crimson up here. I haven't seen it this year, but that's beautiful clover. So this is considered red clover, even though it looks purple. The leaves grow in groups of 3, and the stem is round and hairy. It puts off a lot of blooms, and for what I will be using these for tea, unless I get enough of them, and then I'll make a tincture. But red clover is a nitrogen fixer, so it's very helpful to use as a ground cover when you're done with your garden for the year. Just plant out clover seeds, and then whenever it's time to till the next year, you just till it all under. Or you could still till it in that fall and cover it with a tarp. But it's a very helpful plant for many reasons. White clover is very similar to red clover medicinally, though it is used for more things than red clover. Red clover is also looked at as more potent. A lot of people don't like red clover in their yards because it tends to bolt, but they do like the white if they like things that aren't grass in their yard, because it just lays low and it doesn't make your lawn look like it needs to be mowed. Red clover is much taller. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'd love to talk to you more. Bye.